How to reset Netflix watch history. Want to clear out your watch history on Netflix but not sure how? We are here to help. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Netflix watch history. Now let's get started. To delete your Netflix watch history, go to netflix.com in your browser of choice and sign into your account. Then, click your profile icon at the top. Select Account. On the left, click Profiles. Select your profile. Then, click Viewing Activity. Here, you'll be able to review your watch history. Click the Hide icon beside any title you want to remove from your viewing history. This will also remove the title from your Continue Watching section if you hadn't finished watching it. If you want to clear out your watch history entirely, you can click Hide All at the bottom of the page. Once you've cleared items from your viewing history, they should disappear from your Continue Watching section within 24 hours. That's all it takes to delete your Netflix watch history. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified as we put out great new tech tutorials like this on a regular basis.